how to limit mentions. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can mention you on tweets. So first thing, you can go to tweets and click here on this icon, and here guys you will find here mentions. Tap on it, and here guys you will find those options, which is everyone, profile you follow, and no one. So here guys you can limit who can mention you. So choose who can mention you to link your profile in the tweets, replay, or bio. So you have here everyone or people you follow, so you can tap on this so to limit just people you follow or no one. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video.